Hello everyone, I am Kunal Kothari, a student of Ask Institute of Bakery and Confectionery. So today I am going to show you the preparation method of English muffins, which is a famous breakfast muffin and is especially used for egg benedict. The speciality of this muffin is that you do not require any oven for baking, rather you just grill it in an induction. So the ingredients which are required for preparing English muffins are flour 200 gram, powdered sugar 8 gram, salt 4 gram, yeast 5 gram, gluten 5 gram, vinegar 5 ml, bread improver 2 gram, oil 10 ml, semolina around 20 to 30 grams just for grilling, and water which is 50% of the flour. So water for finally cutting the muffin after the dough is. So now I'm going to start up with the very first step, that is the flying fermentation of yeast. So for flying fermentation, I will be adding a pinch of sugar to the yeast. Along with it, I will be adding lukewarm water to give the very first rise to the yeast. After adding water, just stir. See, the yeast has started to grow. So I will now start kneading the dough. Now I have sieved the flour. Now finally pour the fermented yeast on the well which was made initially. Now I will knead the dough. Now as the dough is ready, we will be keeping it for proofing. Now as you can see that the dough has been proofed, now we will give it a knockback. And this is done by turning the dough upside down by sprinkling some flour and then tapping it slightly. Now sprinkle some flour and using a rolling pin, roll the dough. Now I have rolled the dough to the desired thickness. So now I will be using a circular cutter to cut this dough. Now as I have placed the cut muffins into the tray, I will be leaving it for final proofing. So now the muffins are proofed, so I will unwrap them. Once the pan is hot, sprinkle some semolina, spread them evenly. So we grill it to a light brown state. So finally the English muffins are ready.